In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to simply vectorize any image you have in Adobe Illustrator. So if you haven't been here before, my name is Rory and I run this channel called Mr. Rosa. And before we get into this video, can I just make sure you like and subscribe, as it means the world to me, doesn't take you half a second to do. So why would you want to vectorize an image? Well, by vectorizing it, it adds a cool arty effect to it, and with a vector it allows you to zoom in and out on the image without the quality deteriorating whatsoever. So for someone like me, that is very useful, as I create notebook front covers and interiors, and I want cool arty cartoons and animals where I can put in the middle of the book. And actually towards the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually put this vector onto a notebook front cover to upload onto Amazon. So if we just jump straight into the computer now, so as you can see at the moment we just have a blank document open on Adobe Illustrator, but I have already downloaded a fish JPEG, and I get all my images from Pixabay. So if you would like to see that website, I'll leave a link in the description below. It's great, it allows you to get free images which you can use on anything you would like. So if I drag that to the corner and just drag it out into the full screen, as you can see we have the fish here. Now it is ridiculously simple how you do this. So all you've got to do, click on the fish, then click image trace. Now it will take some time depending on how quick your computer is, and as you can see it's come out with a black and white image. So then you've got to click this, click down here, and then where it says mode, you want to click from black and white to colour. Now this may take a bit more time, like I said before, depending on how quick your computer is. And well, there you have it. There is literally how simple it is. All you have to do is click one button. That's how simple it is. So as you can see here, we've got a few settings we can change. So at the moment we've got 30 colours in the image. We can knock it all the way down to 2. Let's just see what that's going to turn out like. As I said before, it's going to take a bit of time to load, so we'll just wait for that to happen. And as you can see, it's come out with 2 colours in the image. So you can find the sweet spot that you like. I'm going to go for around, I'm going to go for 20. So let's just have a look at this. And there you go, so 20, that looks good for me. And as you can see, we have the fish in this foreground here, and you have the background that we had in the image. So as you can see, there is lots of different things you can do, like shades of grey. Let's have a look at what this looks like. And actually that looks quite interesting. So this is also something you could do to put on your notebook cover, for example, or on a t-shirt, or well, anywhere you want. You could even upload this to your own graphic website where you can sell your graphics for money. And let's just go back to colour. Then I'm going to show you guys how it is possible to cut out this fish or whatever you want in this picture and then put it onto, for example, in my position, a notebook front cover. So as you can see here, we have our fish, and like I said earlier, no matter how far I zoom in now, the quality won't change on the image. So if you are interested in how to put this on a notebook front cover, watch on to the end of this video. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to this pen tool, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut round this fish. So I'm just going to place there. And then once you've completed the outline of your fish, all you're going to want to do is go over to this menu here called Transparency, and then click Make Mask. Now once you have that mask made, it will create an outline around the fish, and then also select the image in the background. Then go over to the menu drop down Object, go down to Clipping Mask, then Make, and there you have it. There is your fish. Now I know it's not the cleanest, I could have gone over it a bit cleaner, but for me that is good, because when I zoom out, because it's only going to be small on a notebook, it will look very good. And then what I'm going to do after I've done this is go File, and then New from Template, and I'm going to select a notebook template for myself. Then once I have my notebook template, I'm going to go back to the fish, I'm going to select it, click Command C or Control C if you're on Windows, and then go back onto the notebook template and click Command V. And it will take a bit of time to load once again because it's a high quality picture. And there you have it. Now you have the fish in your notebook template. So hold Shift to decrease the size. And once again, going to take a bit of time with whatever you do. I mean, I have a fast MacBook and it's still taking a lot of time to load. And then once you have it down to the size that you want, you can put it wherever you want like you normally do. Then what I would do for my books is I would just put a funny quote above and below just to fill the blank space and make it look appealing to the eye. Then obviously go to export and then export as and do your normal export settings. So I hope you guys found that video useful. It was definitely useful for me when I found that out first because it allowed me to find any image online and vectorize it and allow me to put on to notebook covers, etc, etc. So once again, if you did enjoy, like, subscribe means the world to me. And if there is any videos that you would like me to do, remember to comment down below, or any tutorials like this one you would like me to do, comment that down below. I'll definitely do that for you guys. And well, I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.